Okay, this is my 2005 Pontiac Montana. I noticed water coming from the bottom of my water pump yesterday, and I noticed my water in my reservoir was low, so I decided it was a water pump. Got a new one for about 25 bucks. Had to take the tension off and then unbolt the old water pump, and then I flushed it out, flushed the system out with water, and I'm putting the new pump in now, 5 bolts, and then I'll have to put the belt back on and fill it back up with water and see how she goes. So that's where we're at right now. 2005 Pontiac Montana. It's a fairly simple process. You have to have skinny arms though, but we'll see what happens after I'm done putting that back on, putting water in the system and bleeding it, and we'll see how she goes from there. I'll cross my fingers. 2005 Pontiac Montana water pump installation.